Let's start with name of Allah. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? It's all about physics. Like and subscribe the channel. In this lecture, I discuss the vertical motion of two bodies attached to the end of a string that passes through a frictionless pulleys. Consider two bodies of mass m1 and mass m2. Mass m1 is heavier than mass m2 and the weight is downward m1g and m2g. Okay, as the weight is downward, the tension produced in the string in upward direction. Okay, the body B A have heavier, so it moves vertically downward with acceleration A, and body B is smaller and it moves in upward direction with acceleration E. Now find out the net force that acting on body A and B. First of all, we solve the force on body A. As we know that force is equal to ma, and we discussed the case for body A, so m1a is equal to net force is equal to the sum of all forces, weight, and the other force acting on body A is tension T, and it is upward direction, both are opposite, so we take minus T and give this equation name equation 1. Now force on body B. Okay, m2a is equal to T minus m2g. As weight is smaller, so we take minus m2g. Okay, basically we find the acceleration and tension produced in this string. We have to find and calculate the tension T and acceleration A. For finding the acceleration A, we add equation 1 and 2. Find A, add 1 and 2. Okay, m1a plus m2a इक्वल है m1g माइनस टी प्लस टी माइनस m2g. T cut with T, and here we take the A common, m1 plus m2, and from here we can take G common. Okay, as we have to calculate the acceleration, so acceleration is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2g. It is the acceleration produced in the string. Now we have to calculate the tension T produced in the string. For finding T, divide 2 by 1. Okay, equation 2 is m2a is equal to T minus m2g, and divided by equation 1, m1a divided by m1g minus T. A cut with A and we cross multiply. Okay, m2 m1g minus T इक्वल है m1 T minus m2g. Okay, m1 m2g minus m2t is equal to m1t minus m1 m2g. Okay, as we have to calculate the T, so we arrange it m1 2g plus m1 m2g is equal to m1t plus m2t. Okay, taking the common chi, and this is add up to m1 m2g, and m1 plus m2 is dividing here, and it is the tension T produced in the string. It is a solution, and we can find the solution by adding these two equations, and we can find the tension produced in the string by dividing these two equations. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.